So today I'll be showing you how to use GPSMS. So to start off, you need to download GPSMS on your phone so that if you lose it, you can find it. When you do download it, you should set the alert and GPS passwords to something unique so no one can find out what it is and randomly spam you. I've set my alert password to RIT and my GPS password to GoGo. Now you can also switch on or switch off flashlight, but this feature is only available in the Pro version. Once you've set up the passwords, you can go back, you can close the app, you can switch off your phone, and say you lost your phone. You take your friend's phone and you text yourself the password. Set the password as RIT. And if you have the Pro version, the flashlight will light up as well. So this way you can locate your phone if you're near it. If you're not close to your phone, you can send yourself the GPS password. Now this password will launch a GPS request on your phone, and the GPS location will be sent back to your friend's phone. So this can take between 5 seconds and 2 minutes. And it depends on the speed of your location request as well as your carrier. So as you can see, it said that the location request is received, and then in a few seconds it sent the link to the location. Once you click on that link, it'll open up Google Maps and you can see exactly where your phone is and go get it. Thanks for downloading GPSMS. If you have any issues when you download the app, be sure to contact me through the app settings page in the contact me section, and I will add support to your phone immediately.